Hey guys, I'm MacPaverick. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change a radiator thermostat. In the first step you set the thermostat to the highest level. Then use the pliers to loosen this screw ring here. And then you can remove the thermostat. To set the thermostat with the heater, you set the thermostat to the highest level, set it over the valve, then you use the pliers again, loosen the screw, and push the thermostat to the heater, and yeah, actually that's all. No, you can use your thermostat. It is connected with the heater. I hope the video was helpful for you, so goodbye.